Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar advanced after a drop in the prior session, while the euro edged lower, as market moves were being dictated by recent global central bank meetings that set expectations for diverging rate cut paths next year. Oil prices edged lower in thin trade ahead of the Christmas holiday, on concerns about a supply surplus next year and a strengthened dollar. Concerns about European supply eased on reports the Druzhba pipeline has restarted after halting on Thursday due to technical problems. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite rose in holiday-thinned trading after a stopgap government funding bill averted a US government shutdown, aided by gains by many of the so-called Magnificent Seven tech stocks. The dollar gained 0.3% against the yen in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 1.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair fell 0.2% in the last session, after a 1.4% intra-session dip. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Market watchers take note. The coming days will showcase an economic calendar filled with impactful data. These reports could steer asset prices, influence investor sentiment, and create new trading patterns. Each data point provides a potential pivot for market direction. Make sure to stay informed and prepared for whatever the next few days may bring.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.